Level 1. The Gambler. You discover Forex, and overnight, it feels like everyone is getting rich except you. One trader claims he turned $100 into $10,000 in a week. Another flashes a Lamborghini and says he bought it before turning 25. Your feed becomes an endless parade of profits. You think, how hard can this be? So you download a trading app, fund your account with $100, open your first chart. EUR/USD. Candles begin moving. Up, down, then back up again. You stare at every tick, like your life depends on it. Your palms start sweating. Your heart beats faster than the market. You refuse to close the trade. It'll come back. It doesn't. 5 minutes later, your balance reads $63. You refresh the page again and again. Maybe it's a glitch. It isn't. That's when reality hits. Trading isn't gambling, but you just gambled. Level 2, the student. Losing hurts, but ignorance hurts even more. So you stop searching for best Forex signal and start searching for why did I lose? Your desk fills with notebooks, support, resistance, liquidity, market structure, supply and demand, risk management, words that once sounded impossible. Now become your daily language. While everyone else is asleep, you're replaying old charts, watching London Open, studying New York sessions, wading through Asian consolidation. You stop blaming brokers, stop blaming the market, stop blaming luck. The losses don't disappear, but something changes. Every losing trade teaches you something new. And slowly, you're no longer losing randomly. You're learning. Level 3, the first win. Then one morning, everything feels different. You don't rush, you wait. One setup, one confirmation. No emotions, no revenge trading, just patience. You risk exactly 1% of your account, nothing more. The candles move exactly as your plan predicted. You don't celebrate, not yet. You let the trade breathe, then take profit. Trade closed, plus $486. You stare at the screen, smile, lean back in your chair, not because you made money, but because you finally proved something to yourself. Discipline actually works. Level 4, the professional. Months pass. The charts stop looking confusing. They start telling stories. You no longer wake up looking for trades. Sometimes you watch the market for 6 hours and never click buy or sell because you've learned something beginners never understand. Doing nothing is sometimes the most profitable decision. Friends ask you for signals. You politely decline, not because you're hiding a secret, but because nobody can trade your psychology for you. Your account grows quietly. No flashy screenshots, no rented supercars, no fake gurus, just consistency. Trade after trade, week after week. Level 5, the $1,000,000 mindset. One day, your trading account crosses 6 figures. Then 7 years ago, you would have taken a screenshot. Now, you barely react. Money no longer excites you. Protecting it does. Every position has a stop loss. Every entry has a reason. Every exit follows your plan. You stop trying to hit home runs. Small, consistent wins become your biggest advantage because you've learned the truth. The goal was never getting rich. The goal was staying rich. Level 6, the market humbles everyone. Then, without warning, everything changes. An emergency central bank announcement hits the news. The market explodes. Candles move faster than you've ever seen. Spreads widen, orders slip, charts become chaos. Positions that looked safe collapse within seconds. Thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions disappear across the market. You survive, not because you predicted it, because you respected risk. That's when you realize nobody beats the market forever. Not beginners, not professionals, not even legends. The market always demands respect. Level 7, the real trader. Years later, the London session opens, your phone buzzes, charts are moving, but you don't rush to your desk anymore. You pour yourself a coffee, walk outside, watch the sunrise, because you already know there will always be another trade tomorrow. Your wealth no longer comes from chasing every candle. It comes from patience, discipline, consistency. The market didn't make you successful. It made you stronger. You spent years trying to master Forex, only to discover the hardest thing to master was never the charts. It was your own emotions. And after thousands of trades, hundreds of losses, countless sleepless nights, and years of becoming a different person, You finally understand. The greatest investment was never in the market, it was in yourself.